na, Sir Pritz, Kuya Bahaw. O, tinatawagan po namin ang lahat ng Captain Ball. Dito po kayo sa unahan para sa ating draw lots. Captain Ball. Akin na, babasahin ko ulit yung sponsors mo. Mas malaki. At habang po nagdodraw lots ang ating mga Captain Ball, I would like to acknowledge and of course give thanks sa Marinduque News Network. Ayan, thank you so much po for covering this. And of course, we would like also to give thanks to Soleil Marinduque, Isla Photo Booth Marinduque, Hervagen Printing Services, ayan. And of course, the Compares Cartel, Isabel Liliw Footwear, Marketplace Dry Goods, Coffee Corner, 747 Team Kyrie. Maraming salamat din sa Elise Resorts and Events Place, Itlog de Mike, Tropical Town, Jeff and Fidel Meat Shop, kay Moto Crush, kay Councilor Makoy Loto Hinang. We have also Mrs. Lucille Manglikmot, Mrs. Teresa Manansala, Gary Boy Malagutnot, Marisa Rosales, Paul Santo Domingo, and of course, Darrell Sore, and Haliay Food Shop. We also have Mr. Gabi Leiko. Yan, maraming salamat po. Are we going to announce? All right. Alright, sa lahat po ng ating mga players, dito po muli kayo sa unahan because we are going to do the panunumpa, ng ating mga players. Huy, manunumpa na kayo, parini kayo, dali. Sa lahat ng mga players, dito po muna ulit kayo. Manunumpa muna tayo, dali. Para nag-aaway na sa bunutan. Tawagin natin mamaya ulit. Hoy, manunumpa na! Parinin muna kayo! Parinin na muna ulit, dali! Nagchika na. Nagkarimusahanan na. Ari mga ari. Parinin na muna ulit, dali! At manunumpa ang ating mga players to be led by Mr. Makmak Pilapil. Kuya Makmak?
Tinatawagan po lahat ng players. Dito po tayo. Lahat po ng players. Para makapag-umpisa na po tayo, lahat po ng players, dito po tayo. Dito. Doon po sa inyong mga pila-pila. Lahat po ng players, dito po tayo. Para makapag-umpisa na po. Lahat po ng players. Pila na po kayo sa inyong mga designated line. Lahat po ng players, lahat ng players. Team Yellow, Black. Pila po tayo na maayos. Okay na po, tahimik po tayo, tahimik. Itaas po natin yung ating kamay. At tayo po'y manumpa. Ako pangalan po, Mark Anthony Pilapil, ay nanunumpang.
Alright. Malinaw na? Let the battle begin. Mag-warm up na ang mga malaro. At maraming salamat nga ni pala sa ating mga organizers for inviting me. Muli po, ako po si Marie Hinduque. Ayan, Marie Hinduque. Charot.
Naricom, Marinduque. Naricom po, nasa na daw po yung Naricom? Tara na bot, mag-start na.
Orange blazer. Orange blazer. Orange blazer. Game. Versus Team Pogi. Red Tiger, wari rin. Ano rin?
Intro pa yan. Sampo lang. Ano? I-tricks bigyan na. Kala ko yan lang. Kala ko. Saan mabili ng MP Lights daw nga po nag-arin?
Kung kaya daw itatlong laro ngayon.
Pabor sa kanila at matawag sila. Porta nila yan. Sa amin yan. Sa amin yan.
Sa team captain dapat rin. Ang tagal naman yung ligat mo. Alis na pa yun sa kabila. Lulubat na wari yan, pre. Ha? Malulubat na wari yan. Galaro kita, third game.
Wala kayo gusto yan?
Oo.
Okay daw?
Oo, ay sabi niyo kasi. Sinabi mo na sa kanila. Bigay sa kabila. Bigay sa kabila. Sino yung 3? Oh, yan. Team Pogi ah. Grabe, ang pogi ko talaga.
Standby po yung number 3 and number 6. And baka magkameron tayo ng third game.
Ay, andun pa nga yung line-up.
Sabi ko tawagin.
Tawagin pa lahat. Sige, sabi na, first 5 lang. Chicken first 5. Pinachikan mo na rin first 5 direct.
Sabi niya tawagin.
Mabiog, Tumago. Inside pass, Luarga looking for jersey number 13. Finds an opening. Stolen by Labay. Dulay. Bank shot is good. Now here comes Team Pogi. Mabiog, drop pass, Luarga fakes up and under. And there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 0, cylinder foul, 2 free throw. Two shot being one over Sir Luarga. First attempt, it's in. Second and last attempt, Mr. Luarga from Barangay Laylay. Two shot, rebound by Luzano, one dribble, hanging in the air, no good. Pass to Pilapil. Pilapil guarded by Luarga. Good steal. Here comes Team Pogi Luzano. Yes, Mr. Luzano. Ogaire. Good steal by Luarga. About Mr. Labay, pass to Opis, back to Labay. To Dulay. Dulay now setting a play to the weak side, guarded by Mabiog. Pull up jumper. Guarded by Mabiog. Good steal. Luzano now on the run. Yes, Mr. Luzano. Mr. Ogaire. Here comes Team Pogi Mabiog. What a nice scoop layup of Mr. Mabiog. Labay passing to the middle. Pass to Dulay. Dulay attack to the basket, floater, too short, rebound by Ugarte. Lozano, now 3-on-1 situation, Lozano. Yes, Virgil. Labay, pass to Opis. Opis now setting a play, back to Labay. Labay drives hard. What a nice move by Mr. Labay. Mabiog now setting a play to the top of the key. And there is a whistle foul on number 17, cylinder foul. Opis first personal foul, second team foul. Orange Blazers. Mago fakes and drive. Euro step. Yes, Virgil. Our official score 13 against 8 in favor of Team Pogi. Office. Pass to Dulay. Fakes. Looking for Labay. Corner through. Three-pointer. Bang! Labay. 3 points. Lozano. And there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 29. Illegal pick on Mr. Luarca.
Ang hirap na nga ni pag dalawang
Opis to the corner. And there's another turnover. Now here comes Team Pogi. Mabiog. Drives hard. Kick out pass. Mago. Fakes. Floater. Too strong. Lozano to the putback and to the rescue. Labay pass to Dulay. Dulay still dribbling down to the middle and setting a play to the top of the key, guarded by Lozano. Dulay. Using a peek by Ugarte. No good. 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in our first quarter action. Our official score 15-11 in favor of Team Pogi. Mabiog to the corner, Mago. Mago making smooth. Half step, hanging in the air. Bang shot is good. Exactly 5 minutes. Labay now on the run, attacking to the basket. But there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 13. Illegal contact to the hand. 2 free throw. Hintay, it's your first personal foul. 3rd team fouls. No good on the first attempt of Mr. Labay. Just for one. Mabiog passing to the midcourt and starting a play to the top of the key. Looking for Mago. Mago in, fires a tray. Air ball. And there's Mr. Lozano to the putback. Labay. Labay looking for Dulay. Launches a play. No good. Here comes Team Pogi. Mabiog. Drives. No good. Mabiog again. Opis. Opis now is still dribbling. Drives. Floater. Too strong. But there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 13. Pushing foul. Hintay, second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Team Pogi. Substitution rep. OG out from Team Pogi. Opis out. Pila out. Labrador and this Marciano checking in from Team Orange Blazers. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Received by Dulay, looking for Marciano. Stop and pump. No good. It's Mr. Kenneth Ogaire. Mablog making smooth. And there's another whistle foul. Foul on number 7, illegally suspended. 17 seconds shot clock. Substitution ref will work out. Coming is Mr. Pan Marquez. Rebound by Ogaire. Pass to Dulay. Dulay drives. Recovered by Labrador. Drives hard, no good. Marquez, one dribble. Bang shot is good. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in our first quarter action. Ogaire pass at way. Bang! Exactly 3 minutes. Mabiog looking for Lozano. Check ball by Ogaire. Mabiog, drop pass, Mago. And there's another whistle foul. Foul on number 7. Illegal contact to the hand. 2 free throw. Marciano, it's your second personal foul.
Ready for sampo?
Substitution rep. Labay out. Coming is Mr. Manhik. Ogaire out. Manrique checking in. Timeout called. Orange Blazers. Remaining time 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Our official score 24-17 in favor of Team Pogi.
Narikol tayo
24-17.
Okay, back to the action. Battle between Team Pogi and Team Orange Blazers. Remaining time 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Manhig. Manhig down to the middle, pass to Marciano. Labrador, one football, no good. Rebound by Lotto. And there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 9. Our visual score 25-17. Manhig. Manhig now setting a play. Inside pass to Labrador. Back to Manhig, looking for Manrique. Manrique drives. Falling away, no good. Rebound by Marquez. Marquez drives, left-handed, no good. Lotto, one dribble, bang shot is good. (27-17) in favor of Team Pogi. Labrador, guarded by Marquez, inside pass. And there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 2. Pushing foul. Penalty. Two shot being awarded on Mr. Labrador. First attempt. Yes for one. Happy viewing po kay Mr. KR Manlangit from Barangay Kawit, Buwak. Second attempt, no good. Here comes Team Pogi Aurelia to Jimena. One minute and 36 seconds remaining.
Tigpiti lang yung ano. Tigpiti yung sintas.
One minute and 34 seconds remaining. Here comes Team Orange Blazers. Manhig looking for Manrique. Over pass to Manhig. Manhig drives. Kick out pass to Marciano. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 24. Blocking foul. 2 free throw. Our official score 27-18.
Pwede. Oh, ito. Ang hirap. Yun ang may sabi kanina. Pagkasaan ni bawal. Pag-player na.
Rebounding Jimena, pass to Meneses. Looking for Marquez. Marquez, baseline drive. And there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 97. Labrador first personal foul. Both teams are in the penalty situation. Exactly 1 minute. Manrique. Good steal by Marquez. Marquez now on the run. And there's a troubling violation. 50 seconds remaining. Marciano. Looking for Labrador. One dribble. Zigzagging. No good. Rebound by Marquez. 35 seconds remaining. Jimena. Looking for Reneses. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Meneses launches a play. No good. 5 seconds to shoot. Manhik. Yes, Virgil. 10 seconds remaining. Good steal by Labrador. Labrador zigzagging. No good. 5 seconds. Jimena to Marquez. 1 second at the buzzer. And the first quarter action. Our official score 28 against 20. 8-point lead. Team Pogi.
Better ka pag-photography. Eh, ba't wala? Nag-score pa dun eh.
Oh, baka ano eh. Baka mga pang-tag yun eh.
Si Maya.
Ah, matagal ito na ang mga tatlong game pagka meron. Malayo eh.
Ah, galsot yun na. 7:30.
Back to the ball game. Our official score 28 20. 8-point lead. Team Pogi.
Hindi na lang apili doon sinulat talaga.
Rebound by Labrador. Pass to Marciano. Cross-court pass to Labay. Labay drives. And there's a whistle foul number 31.
Why? 28, 20 po. Okay, sige, sabihin. Teka, pag gusto lang ako natin.
Labay fires a three. No good. And the whistle foul. Basket count, foul number 31.
Hindi na sa kabila. Palit lahat. Dapat palit lahat eh, no?
Bench technical, Orange Blazers.
Mamaya muna. Buwas kanina yung tira eh. Dagdagan ko.
May pa-advise na lang ako pag 7 minutes na lang. Para...
Para makabalik.
Oo. Salamat.
Kasi yun eh. Alam mo yun. Kasi makapasok ako sa portal. Ano score yung official score pala nga? 22, 29.
Our official score 29-22. In favor of Team Pogi.
Anong good dere? Yung player na ere.
Marciano. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 4. Pushing foul. Marciano. Inside pass. Good steal by Manrique. Manrique now setting a play. Luis teammate. Lot of one dribble, attack to the basket. Bang shot is good.